morning, viewers all over the world. My name is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu n'Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Rụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. Egwu ị nụrụ kịta bụ egwu si na nkwa group nke ọ bụ mụnwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu na-ele idia. Ọ bụ ngalaba na-afụ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo na Ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Ọ bụrụ na ị laikiri egwu ị nụrụ, ị chọrọ ị download ya na social media platforms, iTunes and rest of them. Ị download ya. Then ka ị na-esonyere anyị n'oge awa nke eziokwu, a sị na ọmaka ga-emere gị na-agwa ndị mmadụ gbasara our administration. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-esonyere anyị n'eziokwu TV ma ọ bụ ị na-esonyere anyị na social media platforms, share it so that people will hear from the horse's mouth. Today anyị abịakwa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, time of truth. Isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ gbasara what you need to know about dark souls. Dark souls in creation. That is the topic. Dark souls in creation. Yes. Believe in me, this lecture is a brand new lecture. I can tell you, because what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. And when you hear about dark souls in creation, but I can share about it. One nigga know this unique lecture. Believe in me. By today's lecture, many people will be liberated. I got told to them the mother now. Now I have to go to the temple. Yes. So, announcement in them. Echefuna na jaya na achukwu ọnwa November na gani. Ị ga nwere ike isonye maka na ego monthly ritual. Jambuni na jikuti ha just go na budi ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ elu. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or in Eziokwu TV. You know why? It's not necessary. It's not why we're here. But I can tell you, we care that Jana actually go. Unity is power. Yes. So know this one and know peace. So here about Jambuni this month with 3 years. So this month only is a 3 years anniversary. So this morning I have gone to the temple to make declaration upon the lives of those that join us and make rituals. And the friends of the temple and children of the temple and members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission. We keep doing it this way till the last day of the month. We visit the waters with eatable waters to make saraka and sacrifices on behalf of all. Then we proceed back to the temple to make sacrifices to entities of powers in the temple. We have lots of testimonies, believe me. So if you are interested to join us or you have any question in today's lecture or nature family, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 I repeat 0805 7837 or 0813 8243 I repeat 0813 8243 Let's now dive into today's lecture. Remember today's topic: dark souls in creation. Dark souls in creation. Let's now proceed. Let me explain some certain things for you to understand what is happening in creation. Like I told you, Chukwu Okike Primi Henry created everything, ma and good and bad. Everything is from him. There is darkness, there is light. And when more job depends on the path you want to follow. And when phantom spirits nagari in creation to cause havoc, to cause more pain. In fact, they derive joy when they cause havoc and pain among humanity. Let me tell you this fact. I can tell you, not every human being you see here on earth are genuine human beings. This world you are seeing is overpopulated. Some people that are here are not supposed to be here. Some are condemned spirits, condemned souls that are supposed to be in the other world to face the total annihilation, to face the total condemnation. They are not supposed to be here. And you will identify those souls by their character. But those souls find themselves back here because of our activities of we human spirits. We gave them the ladder to come back. If not, those souls are already condemned souls that are supposed not to be here. So for the fact that we gave them that opportunity to be here, they are here to cause pain. Especially mothers. We are living in a world where women supposed to be a role model, but we are living in a world where women have gone so down spiritual wise. In the ancient book, you see where they said a woman shall compass a man. Women supposed to be the mirror of the family. Women supposed to be the mirror. In Igbo language, we say, oh, a woman, once they greet themselves, they say mirror of the family. But the question is, how many of these women are truly the mirror of the family? A woman is a mother. Once a woman falls, family fails. Family goes down, including man. Let me give you the example of what I'm trying to say. Whenever a woman is down, a man will go down too. It's a truth. Because a woman is supposed to be the supporter of the man, so that the man will stand at fame. And once a woman goes down in creation, yes, it must go down with a man. I will give you some instances. Remember the story of the Eve. I want to use that story to buttress my point. Remember Adam, according to that story, Adam has been in existence for a very long time. Until that particular time, to go down and say, okay, that he will create a woman for the sake of Adam. A woman that will come from the same root with Adam. According to that story. The pain of Adam started immediately that woman was created. Because Adam has been in the Garden of Eden and refuses to disobey Chukwu Okike. And there was totally peace and harmony with Adam and the other creatures. But immediately the woman came. And because the woman allowed herself to be deceived by the dark souls, by the negative vibrations, led by demon, she was misled to disobey the order given by Chukwu, according to that story. And immediately the Eve falls. And the demons understand the fact that once the woman falls, he must drag the man down. It's as simple as that. Let me give you another example. There was another great man mentioned in the Bible, because if I'm teaching you, I want to be citing Bible. You know why? Why I cite Bible stories is that let me use what you know. It doesn't make any sense if I start citing the Holy Incoming, start citing the Lion of Africa, start citing other books you have not read, or even the Book of the Dead. You have not read them, so it doesn't make sense. So let me use what you have read and have understanding. To give you an example, you remember the story of Samson in the Bible. Samson was a great man. Samson was chosen to be the Messiah of his people, to liberate his people from their enemies. But another dark soul, a woman. Yes, because Delilah was never a genuine woman, because her heart is filled with filth. Any woman that her heart is filled with filth is no longer a genuine woman. It becomes toxic to the human race on earth. So Delilah permitted herself to be used to commit that dastardly act of eliminating Samson, thereby stopping Samson from achieving the sole purpose why he was sent. Delilah pulled down Samson down and caused his death. I can mention so many examples where women pull men down. Yes, men, we are stronger as masculine. We are coerced in nature. But the other power, the romantic power, was given to the woman. And with that romantic power, they use it solely to control, to balance. No, they gave man the sole power as the head of the family, gave the woman the romantic power, because power jam power in order to balance the power. That is why, remember, no matter how strong you are, there must still be a particular point in time when you break the woman. Yes, no matter how strong you are as a man, nature did it the same way so that to balance the power a little bit. So if women on earth now decide to rise above board, to live as a genuine woman, believe in me, this world will be a better place. So if you ask me, anytime there is total failure of men, I put 70% of the blame squarely to womanhood. If women stand aright today, this world will be a better place. And that is the reason why our forefathers, during the ancient time, protected a woman. A woman was given adequate protection, protecting a woman, because once the women are abused, the future unborn generation will be abused. That's why our forefathers don't joke with women, because protect women and allow them to be genuine women and live aright. Believe in me, the future generation will live aright. But the entire fabric of a genuine woman has totally bastardized. Women have lost it. Majority of women are no longer genuine women the way they should be. I put the blame squarely on their door. Once women today rise up to where they're supposed to be, believe in me, men will rise. Yes, because they are the backbone. That's why even some people say, behind every successful man, there must be a woman. That woman could even be the mother. I know, I understand the role of genuine mothers. You guys are doing great, because you guys are behind, praying, wishing, longing for the betterment of your children. I praise and respect genuine mothers. Genuine mothers. But those mothers that are living below the board, I'm ashamed of such women. what I can tell you is this: if women will rise up today and be where they're supposed to be, character-wise, this world will be a better place. Most women have lost it. The dignity is no longer there. Not even talking about the virginity. Let me tell you, a man and a woman is not the same. If any woman that lost shame, in the 80s, a woman cannot look you eyeball to eyeball. She will be ashamed of looking at opposite sex. Back and well, virtuous women. But what we have today is embarrassing. I saw a video on social media just yesterday. A young lady of maybe around 25 years is talking about that he's not interested in even dating. That what he's into is hookup. What is hookup? Hookup is not a shower that was baptized. A boy hookup to give it a sweet name. Today, nowadays, women are so loud, even in social media. They have lost it, no shaming. Some will be proud saying that they are using dildo. You know what is dildo? Fake. So how can you tell me some of them will be even proud, saying they are using cucumber in replace of without shame? One no even they shame me whenever I see such a thing. Some will be proud telling you that they are using dildo. Electric one at that. The one that has, you can put any speed you like. They are no longer ashamed of it. Now, how can you tell me that a woman that has bastardized lower to the level of the animal level, to the extent that what is talked about is carnal? What he talks about is carnal. By talking about carnal always, what it simply means is that she will always use those negative things to get herself satisfied. By the time a woman is using dildo, putting it on speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, using cucumber to mess herself up, Oga bastardize the entire body. And by bastardizing the entire body, Ahoya Adigo as loose as anything. Such a woman can never be satisfied. That is why some of them will be telling you about 1 minute man, 2 minute man. What do you mean by 1 minute man, 2 minute man? What do you know by 1 minute man, 2 minute man? There are some animals that don't stay more than 1 minute, 2 minutes, and they are bearing children. The same way, those men you are called 1 minute, 2 minutes man, 5 minutes men, they are bearing children to show that they are fertile. But why you are saying 1 hour, you need somebody that will stay 1 hour, 2 hours, is because you have spoiled. Yes. If you are married as a virgin, you will not be knowing about this 1 minute, 2 minutes of birthday because you don't know about it. And the mother, but because you have overspoiled. Imagine you men, you got married to a woman that have been into wrongs. You got married to a woman that have been wrongs girl. Maybe for donkey years, and for any reason you got married to such a woman. How can you ever satisfy such a woman. Unless if you are a fellow beast. If you are an innocent man out there, you can never match the prowess. Is a carnal woman. You can never match her prowess. And we have forgotten, I have not forgotten that men born between 85 to 90% strength and a West Northern room. So he can, on a very good day, can never beat a woman because two of you are not born in the same strength at the same time. Are you following? So never you decide to destroy yourself to become drug addict in order to satisfy a woman. It's not possible. It's not possible unless you kill yourself. Many have gone and we don't want to lose more. Some people, in order to satisfy the unsearchable quest of some of these beasts in the form of a woman, have lost their life. It makes some men to result in taking Viagra and so many other dangerous things that will endanger their life. We have lost so many men, some men in our cardiac arrest. Yes, because by trying to force nature, you are trying to bypass your capacity and you have problem. Allow nature to take its course. Forget about some of those people that have spoiled to the level that they are now in no-milquatarism, at the point of no-milquatarism. So for that reason, you can never get them satisfied. So don't kill yourself or become drug addict in order to satisfy someone that is already gone. Because that person in question is no longer a genuine human being. And some of those street girls, chorus girls, their condition have gone to the level that it can never satisfy them. One man can never satisfy them because they have bastardized the genuine woman in them. There is no shame again. Do you know what we are seeing on social media? Some will come to social media so proud. You will say, you agree with me that this person have really lost it. So what are you expecting from such person? The person have lost exactly what makes her a genuine woman. So not every woman is still genuine woman. So because of the fact that some are no longer genuine women, there are the people, because these people played a lot of role in bringing human spirit back in a human form as mothers. So for the fact that they have already bastardized what makes them tick as women, because of their negative wishes and longing, they have bastardized their real self. So because of that negative longing and wish, because of their lifestyle, they now gave room for those dead souls. I have told you when I started, there is souls, people that are here on earth that are not supposed to be here. Originally, those souls have been condemned souls that are supposed to be in condemnation arena. We call them condemned souls. The souls that their name has been expunged from the book of life. They are not supposed to be here. So those souls are not supposed to be here. They have been condemned, waiting for the total annihilation. But because some women gave them another opportunity to be here, These souls are like dark souls kept in a dark region, waiting for them to be annihilated, total annihilation, total condemnation. But when a woman is not genuine in her thoughts, in her actions, that woman is giving ladder. It's like throwing ladder into the dark region in order to help those dark souls to reincarnate back. That is the reason why I told you that there is some souls that are here on earth that are not supposed to be here. They are condemned souls. Those souls are those souls that Chika Obara of blessed memory said, "Ne wona wona gije rika, ne wona wona gije." He remember those music they sang around in the 80s. They are already dead. They are walking corpse. Spiritually, they are dead. But in the life of the living, you will say be seeing them as human beings. Some of these particular people have lost it. I will tell you, I will get to the point, tell you the characteristics, how you can know those souls that are not supposed to be here. Those souls, I call them distorted souls. Dark souls, they are not supposed to be here. But those souls have been condemned in creation. They are there in the dark region, waiting for their total annihilation. But because of mothers, some of the ungenuine mothers we have now, that call themselves mothers, because of the lifestyle they are living, they gave helping hand. Because ihe kwuru ihe akwụ debie agwọ na amụ agwọ, nkịta na amụ nkịta, ewu na amụ ewu. So for the fact that the woman that is supposed to be the carrier of that newly born baby, for the fact that her heart is full of filth, darkness, whatever that is coming from her is darkness. Her lifestyle is darkness. Her character is darkness. Conceived. Because for the fact that darkness surrounds her, she can never bear a being, a spirit from the light region. She can never bear a spirit from the light region. So for the fact that she is naturally dark in her character, in her whatever that surrounds her, she will long towards dark souls. Whenever there is time for those souls for reincarnation, souls that will enter her is from the dark region. There will bear children that will be from the dark region, dark souls. Makana onye ọjọọ na-abụ onye ọjọọ. Then if you know onye ọya amụtazi ya akarịzie njọ. Because ekperima mụọ nwa amụtazie nnukwute ekperima. So that's what happened. So if you really want to blame everything, blame mothers. I can tell you, if our women start to live a good life, this world will be a better place. So for the fact that those mothers gave a room for those condemned dark souls to reincarnate back, those condemned dark souls have reincarnated back and they become a thorn on our flesh. They are now tormenting us by their lifestyle, the way they live their life. They are tormenting us. The way they live their life is very tormenting. The way they live their life is very tormenting. By their fruit you shall know them, those spirits. How can you see a woman, a genuine woman, on the social media, knowing fully well that the social media does not forget, will be talking trash without shame, thinking that he's looking for money? Which money are you looking for? Believe me, that is not money, looking for money. That is to show that that woman, the genuine woman in her, is in shambles, is no longer there. If not, how can a genuine woman be on social media and be talking trash? She have lost it. In the name of making money, which money are they making for? Some of these people that claim that they are content creators, they are not creating anything. The money, the law, the rosy life they are living is by showcasing themselves, they will be able to attract and men of the same cadre. What they call the guru. So don't allow anybody to deceive you. So we'll be telling you that via content creating, or maybe their address, they have houses in Banana Island, they are this one that. Don't allow anybody to give you VP. Some of these things, those houses and those cars you are seeing, is some married men are behind those cars. So don't allow anybody to take you for granted or to make you to feel sad. You are trying because you are working legitimately. I mean, the movie industry, I will tell you what is happening there. Okay, have you asked yourself why is it that those married, responsible women are not buying houses in Banana Island? And we have some married women that are very young, that are doing great, that are featuring in movies. Have you asked yourself why are they not buying houses in Banana Island? Mercy Johnson Okoji, how many houses did they buy in Banana Island? Omotola Jalade Keide, how many houses did they buy? Those people that are married and very respecting their marriage, how many houses did they buy? But you see those young girls, they will tell you they are buying, they are working hard. Which working hard? I'm telling you. So some of them, don't allow anybody, just be doing your thing. Don't allow anybody to give you high BP or to make you feel like you are not working right. You are trying. I can tell you some of those women you are seeing are not genuine women. A genuine woman will see it by her action, by her character, and by her lifestyle. That is genuine woman. And I can tell you these bastardized women that are not genuine, they are the ones giving birth to all these women, children that will torment the world. Some of them have given birth. People that are tormenting us today. No, it does not start today. Some decades ago, it's when everything got out of hand. Some of those women, you can never satisfy them. You can't. Or unless you kill yourself. Because you will be forced to be taking all those drugs. And you will die. So you end there. How they can work again and one? Because some of these women, because of their longing, they give birth to man and woman. If they just say a woman from dark souls gave birth to a lady, he become a rose girl. If he gave birth to a man, he become a drug addict and some of them those things. How can he justify to show you that this world they are everywhere? Those beast people, they are not genuine. They are not compassionate at all. We're very mad because these people are condemned souls. It's like if you see condemned criminals. And what they had the word, they can kill you and kill themselves because they are already condemned. So whenever those condemned souls are given opportunity to reincarnate back here on earth, they become thrown on the flesh of the genuine people on earth. I can tell you this world is overpopulated. Some of these people we are seeing are not supposed to be here. Quote me. How can they just somebody that he came to a family, dispossess them what all they have, and kill all of them? The cry, the begging of the owner of the house cannot even touch your heart because you're a demon, you're a beast. Do you know that there are some people that are operating on earth today, they are beasts in nature? They are the dark souls I'm talking about. You cannot beg them. Hell would go be a judge, will be hard in house. All hang up on the cheek of many years ago, some decades back, in the 80s. They can come to the house. I have seen where they will come. Tell me the pressure. They will tell the father of the house to sleep with her daughter in their presence. To sleep with his daughter in their presence. What is the game? Are they enjoying it? It's just to humiliate the man of the house. Sometimes they will force the daughter, the son, to sleep with the mother while they are watching. And is he not beast? Can a genuine human being do that? And you will be begging them, please don't do this. It's not as if they don't have girlfriends. They have them assorted. But they will still come to a man's house and sleep with the man's wife in the man's presence. Even if despite the fact the man will be begging them, please take all this money and leave my wife alone, they will do it. Because they don't have human hearts. These people are beasts. Those people that are behaving abnormal, they are beasts. They are not supposed to be here. Some of this character is some character that is really abhorrent. And if you see those characters, you will be hard. I said, these people, are they really human beings? They don't bloody care about us. They are here to cause pain. Because this pain is what we brought about to ourselves. By these women that did not live right. They are not genuine. They gave birth to those people that are here on earth, that are beasts in human form. Tormenting our lives, tormenting the lives of genuine people. They are everywhere. Anywhere you see them in places on earth, they derive joy in causing pain. They derive joy in causing pain. Okay, look at another man that is trending. What are they called the name? Is this Batista or whatever? The man from Equatorial Guinea, as I heard, that slept with over 400 women in no distance time. It's not as if the man is very young. The man, based on my assessment, the man is in the mid-40s. He's not a 30-something-years-old man. You see his family. He have almost about 6 or 7 children. Yes. Then what is he looking for? This is a man that is gainfully employed, working very well. He's no longer a smuggler, and derive joy in messing people around. Now he's trending for a wrong reason. Is that one a human being? To my assessment, no. How can you be a beast to the extent that you have your own children, you have your wife? You slept with your brother's wife. Your brother is there. How do you think people will be looking at you? Your brother will be looking at you. If you have conscience, I have told you that how one of the characteristics is check at they don't have conscience. You slept with your brother's wife. You slept with your relative again, a woman that is your relative. You slept with married women indiscriminately. In dozens. To show you that you are there to humiliate human beings. You are videoing it. What for? And even those women, for me, those even women that is even begging him, I will even have that some people are still sending more messages that they say want him. I can tell you that those people that is craving for him, his services and everything, they are not genuine human beings. All of them. Believe in me. They see a beast, and all of them still rushing towards the beast. Because according to the message, from what I had today, is true. And some are still sending more messages that say, what's him? Is he not a beast? To me, he can never be a genuine human being. Who have lost the cool, lost it all. Doesn't have any shame. The story, as we had it, that one of the women killed herself because she cannot withstand the shame. This is a married woman. Even her husband complained that this woman is a woman that if he come back from work, he cannot even allow her husband to do the needful via other room. He say he's tired. Some of those skills he can do with that man, he can't even do it right with her husband. This is the women we are seeing nowadays. The life we are living. Women, it's not as if I hate women, no. They are the flower that are supposed that beautify the world. In fact, without them, this world will not be sweet. They are here for our happiness. They are here to complement men. Because without them, we cannot do anything. We cannot multiply. So I acknowledge the great part they are playing in creation. However, my calling is for them to sit up Whom much is given, much is expected. Chukwu in his infinite mercy gave them much. I can tell you, the woman he has seen is the compendium of the entire creation. Yes. As long as procreation is concerned, they are very important. But my calling is for them to sit up. I'm ashamed looking at where women of nowadays are standing. Really low. Instead, the women of nowadays supposed to be standing even on the top with the man, so that they will be able to point and lead spiritual wise. But they are already degraded to the level that is so poor. So it's a wake-up calling for women to stand up. Women should stop wearing those nudes. If you are wearing those nude pictures, nude dresses and whatever, you only attract people that will come to you because of ordinary sex. But when a man wants to marry, we start looking for quality and reserved women. So stop telling me that if you want to wear those clothes, if you go to the market, everyone want to touch you, everyone want to touch you. They want to touch you because they saw you as a free food. Everybody can touch you. But if you dress decently, people can admire you for your beauty, but nobody will abuse you. So today's lecture is dark souls in creation. Know it today and know peace, that not every human being you see on earth, whether man or woman, is genuine woman or genuine man. By their character you shall know them. Don't get yourself entangled with these people. Don't be on equal yoke with them, because they will bastardize you. What they radiate towards you is negative. And by living with this kind of people, you will be having strange nightmares. You will be having strange torture, and so many things will be happening against you because of negative vibration, because you tangle and mingle with them. That's in the way we not have. And they will not have we are in the end. They will not have it. They will not have so get out about to. So live a good life. Know it today and know peace, that not every soul here on earth is genuine soul. There is some souls that from the dark region, and their reason to be here is to cause pain. In everything, anything, anywhere they are in life, their primary purpose is to cause pain to mankind, and to make this world a place of pain. So don't see them that are here to complement for anything. They are here to cause pain to human beings. So pay attention to this, my advice today, for your own betterment. Live a good life, so that you will not be a cause of pain or downfall to others. Because whatever you sow, so shall you reap. Go and read Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. And I quote, God can never be mocked. Whatever any man sow, so shall you reap. Go and read it. Chukwu is one. The power of Chukwu is one. The only difference is we are diverse in the way we worship Chukwu. The same way, there is so many diverse ways of getting yourself to Lagos. Some people can go to Lagos via using aircraft, while some can go with 911 or even trailer. Even keke can go to Lagos. It no matter even if you take it 1 week. And some go with cars and Rolls-Royce buses. So what I'm telling you is this: there are so many ways of reaching Chukwu. Anywhere you find yourself, make sure you a joy giver. Make sure you will not be able to act in a manner that will promote darkness. Anywhere you find yourself, sit up, especially women, because they are life givers. Women are life givers. I can tell you, if women of nowadays begin to live a good life, men will emulate them, and most men will change. But because women use their nature, they are very attractive to put more men into crime. Yes. All those things I can tell you. If majority of women will sit up and start living a good life, this world will be a better place, because they have the energy, they even have the supernatural vibration to turn this world around. Yes. Let me stop here. If you have questions in today's lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805-783-7672. I repeat, 0805-783-7672 or 0813-8243-871. I repeat, 0813-8243-871. See you tomorrow. No one case you metwaka na share button so you can only watch this program. Go to my TV channel, Ezeoku TV, watch it in full, or go to my social media platform, Facebook, TikTok, and watch it full. As you are watching it, share it to people. As you are doing this, may Chukwu bless you abundantly. May the work of your hands begin to multiply. May the work of your hands begin to yield fruit. I pray that you and your family will be protected. In the name of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe. Yeah, guys, yeah.